Introduction to Automating Monthly Budgets.
Managing your finances is easier when your budgeting app does the heavy lifting for you. Automated monthly budget creation saves time, reduces errors, and helps you stay on track with your goals. Let's explore how to set up rules in popular budgeting apps to streamline your financial planning each month.
Choosing the right budgeting app.
Different apps offer various automation features. Well-known options like YNAB, You Need a Budget, Mint, and EveryDollar allow users to create recurring monthly budgets with varying levels of customization. Consider which app matches your preferences for linking accounts, customizing categories, and adjusting rules for automation.
Setting up budget templates and rules.
Most apps let you create budget templates or use default categories for automation. In YNAB, for example, you can copy last month's budget or set repeating amounts for each category. Mint automatically suggests a budget based on your past spending, and you can adjust or schedule these rules as needed.
Automating income and expense tracking.
Linking your bank accounts allows for automatic tracking of income and expenses. Budgeting apps detect regular transactions and update your spending automatically. Use the app's rule-setting features to assign incoming transactions to specific categories, ensuring accurate monthly budgets without manual entry.
Adjusting and reviewing automated budgets.
Regularly review your automated budgets for changes in income, expenses, or goals. Most apps provide notifications or reminders before each month begins. Quickly adjust categories, update recurring amounts, and analyze reports to refine your automated budgets as your financial situation evolves.
Final tips for successful budget automation.
Automation simplifies budgeting, but occasional oversight ensures accuracy. Periodically check for duplicate transactions or new spending patterns that may require updated rules. Set reminders to review your budget monthly, and take advantage of app support or forums for additional tips and tricks.